study the local maximum or local minimum. This topic you have already studied in class 12, that is maxima and minima. So the highest point and the lowest point on the given curve are called the maximum and minimum values. Okay. So now we have a few steps to find the local maximum and local minimum. The first step is to find the first derivative. Now to find the first derivative, you equate this to 0 and solve for x. Then find the second derivative. So it so happens that sometimes the second derivative you are directly going to get the value. If you get the value or constant value, you check whether it's greater than 0 or less than 0. If it is greater than 0, then it has local minimum at that value of x. If it is less than 0, then you have maximum value at that value of x. But it does not happen most of the time. You are going to get the equation in f double dash of x. If you get a function in f double dash of x, what you need to do is you substitute the value obtained in step number 2 in step number 3 and check whether it's greater than 0 or less than 0. So this will give you whether it has maximum at that value of x or minimum at that value of x. Then to find the maximum or minimum value, corresponding maximum or minimum value, you substitute the value of x, whatever so obtained from step number 2 and checking step number 4 then in original function and get the maximum or minimum value. Okay, now let's take this example. Okay, so the question says find all the local maxima and minima as well as the corresponding values of the function. That means they are asking you to find the maximum and minimum value also. So now your f of x is given here, so you differentiate this, so it's going to become 3x square minus 6x. Okay, so now second step says that you have to equate to 0. So equate this value to 0. So if you equate to 0, this is going to be in this form, 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. Then next step is, so you can also take 3 common. So if you take 3 common here, so you'll get this equation, so which is equal to 0. So now this 3, if you equate that side, is going to become 0. So x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So this, in this method, what you need to use is you have to use sum and product method. So what is sum, what is product, you can use it. So sum and product. So sum means the value b here, that is minus 2, and product is minus 3. So you need to identify two values such that when you multiply you have to get 3 and when you add you have to get minus 2. Okay, so you identify two values in such a way that when you multiply you are going to get minus 3. When you add the same value you are going to get minus 2. Okay, so in this form you are going to get the values as 1 and minus 3. Okay, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 1 in 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So if the value of a is 1, you add directly 1 x in the front, x minus 1, x minus 3. So you are going to get x plus 1. Okay, so x plus 1, not minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 3. So now you equate to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x, you are getting minus 1 or x equal to 3. So these are the two values of x. Now once you get the values of x, what you need to do is you need to check whether these values have maximum, at which value it is maximum and which value it is minimum. Okay, so now since you are going to check whether the values are maximum or minimum at x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 3. So you find f double dash of x. Okay, so it's going to become 6x minus 6. So now you substitute x equal to 1. So this is going to become f of minus 1 is going to become minus how much? Minus 12. So which is less than 0. If it is less than 0, we know that you have maximum value at x equal to 1. So the function has local maxima at x equal to 1. So to find this local maxima, what you need to do is you substitute this one, f of x equal to x in the original function, whatever function you are giving, you substitute minus 1. So if you substitute minus 1, you are going to get in this form. So minus 1 minus 3 and you are going to get 20. So this is your local. So your value is going to become minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 plus 15 and the value is going to become 20. So this is the local maximum value at x equal to 1. Okay, so now at x equal to 3, we say that it has local minima, right? So f double dash of x is equal to, let's check whether it has minima or not, because if one value is having maximum, another will definitely have minimum. Okay, both values will not come maximum. Okay, so 6 into 3 minus 6, so it's going to become, so you can put 3 here, so it's going to become 18 minus 6, that is equal to 12, greater than 0. Therefore it has what? It has local minima at x equal to 3. So you to find this local minimum value, therefore the minimum value is f of x. You substitute in this one, so f of x is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 15. So that's going to become 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3 square minus 9 times 3 plus 15. So it's going to become 27 minus 27 minus 27 plus 15. So minus 27 plus 27 will get cancelled, and your answer is minus 12. So this is minimum value. Now now we are with example number 2. So this question is a little different, but you should know what you are asked to find in the question. So the function, this function has local maximum at x equal to what value? So that value of x is asked here. Okay, so same process, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36x plus 18. So f dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 30x plus 36. So then f dash of x is equal to 0, right? So which implies that 6x square minus 30x plus 36 is equal to 0. So you can take 6 common, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies that x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies that, so you have to factorize this, so it's going to become x minus 2, okay, and x minus 3 is equal to 0, okay. So two values, so x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it implies x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. So at which value, x equal to 2 or x equal to 3, it is maximum, okay. So you need to find that value. So you find f double dash of x. F double x of x is going to become, so 12x minus 30. So f double dash of x at 2 is going to become 12 into 2 minus 30. So 24 minus 30, which is equal to minus 6, less than 0. So if it is less than 0, then it has what? Maximum value. Therefore it has maximum value at, therefore it has maximum value or local maximum at x equal to 2. So your answer is 2 out here, okay. Students, you are now required to solve few questions, okay. So you are asked to find the local maxima or local minima of, if any, of the following function. Find the corresponding local maxima and minimum, local maximum and minimum value, okay, not maximum, maximum and minimum or minimum value. So you are given 5 questions, please solve it.